Chapter 8. Agriculture and Industries. Agriculture. Agriculture means growing of crops and rearing of animals and fishing. Nowadays, it is one of the most important occupations in our country. More than two-thirds of the people in our country are farmers. This makes agriculture the main occupation of our country. Agriculture provides food for the people and raw materials for industries. Crop seasons. India has mainly two crop seasons. The crop that is sown in winter and harvested in spring is called Rabi. Wheat, gram, peas, etc. are Rabi crops. The Kharif crop, which is called the summer or monsoon crop, is sown immediately after the first rain in July and harvested in October. Rice and maize are Kharif crops. Crops like sugarcane, jute, oilseeds, tea, coffee, coconut and spices are all raw materials for industries. Major crops of India. India has a favorable climate, fertile soil, and good irrigation facilities to grow many crops. The crops grown here are of two types: food crops and cash crops. Food crops. The crops which are grown for consumption are called food crops. Some examples are paddy, millets, wheat and pulses. Note that paddy and wheat are the main food crops. Cash crops. The crops which are grown to be used in industries or for sale in the market are called cash crops. The main cash crops are sugarcane, jute, cotton, tea and coffee. Sugarcane is processed to make jaggery, gur, and sugar. Jute is used for making bags and carpets. Cotton is used for making cloth. Tea, coffee, and popular beverages are made from coffee beans. Livestock rearing. Domestic animals raised in an agricultural setting to provide labor and other commodities, such as meat, fur, eggs, etc. are called livestock. It includes cow, buffalo, bullock, sheep, goat, camel, mule, and yak. They are useful in many ways. Cows and buffaloes give milk. Their excreta is used as a manure. Buffaloes are used for plowing fields, drawing water from wells and pulling carts. Wool is obtained from sheep and camels. The hides of sheep and camel are used for making leather goods. The meat of sheep and goats is eaten. Camels are very useful in deserts. Mules and yaks are used for transporting goods and people in hilly regions. Initiatives taken by the government for farmers. Our total agricultural production has increased since independence. This is due to the following factors. Use of better quality seeds. More area has been brought under irrigation. Use of fertilizers and pesticides. Use of tractors and other types of modern agricultural machinery and equipments. Provision of crop insurance against drought, flood, cyclone, fire and diseases. Establishment of Grameen banks and cooperative societies for providing loan facilities to the farmers at low rates of interest. Agriculture is the backbone of industries in our country. Programs like Second Green Revolution, PM Kisan, etc. run by government. Industries. Industries are places where people work with hands or machines to make different objects from various raw materials. Food products, paper, pencil, bags, clothes, utensils, tools, scooters, cars, trains and aeroplanes. Everything is made by using raw materials in industries. Types of industries. On the basis of size, industries are of three types: cottage industries, small-scale industries, Large-scale industries. Cottage industries. Cottage industries are set up by people in their own homes. People working in a cottage industry are mostly of the same family. They use simple tools and raw materials to make goods. This kind of industry gives simple products, such as pottery, candles, baskets, pickles, juices, jams, biscuits, embroidered dress materials, craft and gift items. Small-scale industries. Small-scale industries employ a few workers and use small machines. People work in small factories to produce goods, such as electrical and plastic items, utensils, garments, bicycles and automobile parts, soaps and hosiery items. Large-scale industries. Large-scale industries are big and have hundreds of people working in them. Huge machines are used in such places to produce goods in large numbers. Textile, iron and steel mills, automobile industries, oil refineries, cement and chemical factories are some large-scale industries. Look at the list of some important industries in India and where they are located. Industries and the environment. Industries are very important for the development of a country. At the same time, they also become a cause of worry. We must be sure that pollution is minimized and that our resources are protected.